Found a C3 file from a vintage 3D rendering project? This is a scene file from Pov-Ray for Windows 3.1 rendering software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Pov-Ray scene files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky C3 file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. C3. Files are scene description files used by Pov-Ray. For Windows 3.1, the Persistence of Vision Raytracer, a free 3D rendering software. They contain scene definitions with object geometry, lighting materials, camera positions, and rendering parameters used to produce photorealistic 3D images through ray tracing computation. C3. Files use Pov-Ray's scene description language, a text-based format with structured syntax for defining 3D scenes. The format includes object primitives, transformations, material definitions, light sources, camera setups, and rendering directives, enabling complete scene specification through readable text-based scripting. For full accurate reading of C3 data, rely on Pov-Ray by the POV team. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your C3 file and select Open With. Test Pov-Ray if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If your C3 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, opening in Pov-Ray. Install Pov-Ray and use File, then Open to load the C3 scene file. The application displays the scene description in the editor and provides rendering controls. Click Run to ray trace the scene producing rendered images. Pov-Ray remains free software with active community support and modern versions available. Next, editing in text editor. Open C3 files in any text editor like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code, since the scene description is plain text. Edit object positions, material properties, lighting, and camera settings directly. The text-based format makes manual editing straightforward for modifications to scene parameters and object configurations. Finally, migrating to modern Pov-Ray. Convert older Pov-Ray 3.1 scene files to current Pov-Ray 3.7 format, which provides additional features and improved performance. Most scene files work with minimal modification, though some syntax updates may be needed. Modern Pov-Ray includes documentation for migrating legacy scenes from earlier versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.